Hi and welcome back to the restoration on my P6 Rover. Just a quick one today, as I'm not going to be over here very long. But I think what someone had commented, I think it was Chris York, saying about rust around the front suspension pivot points because the front pillars had rusted out. Right, well, he is right. There is a little bit, but it's not too bad. I'll show you. Right, turn that one there. Get a bit of light in there. I don't know what you're going to be able to see, but as you can see, there's a bit just behind it there. I've just been having to dig around with a screwdriver to try and see how bad it is. It's not too bad. It is repairable, I believe, anyway. But it'll probably be easier to do it nicely if I do remove all of that top arm, which is going to be an absolute pain. But you got to do what you got to do. Yeah, there's a little bit down the bottom here as well. And this all needs repairing as well, which I did know that anyway. And the only other bit which is going to be awkward on this side is up in there. Obviously, apart from the bits I know about anyway, which is the bottom of the pillar here. I did kind of already know that anyway. Obviously, where it's all got in the pillar, it's probably the water's laid in there and, well, rotted it out. But the other side's not so bad. Let's go and have a look at the other side. Right, so this side, up in there, it's a little bit it's not too bad. Might want a little bit of work, a bit of cleaning up, maybe a bit of treatment, unless anyone else has any other advice from past experience. But down in where these two parts meet there, on this side, it's not too bad at all. Just been digging around. Ooh, I didn't actually notice that bit earlier. Some up in there. Once again, that's easy enough to repair that. It's not exactly where the suspension is. It will have to be done. And then that just leaves the bit, this part down in there, which once again I would imagine, because there's so many, because there's so many different layers, and so obviously water's got in the closed in box section. The bottom of the bottom of that pillar is not quite so bad, although you can see some dodgy past repairs. They'll need redoing and doing properly, but that will all be done when I do the inner and outer seal. So what I'm going to do next, just because I really need to know what the bulkhead is like, is I'm going to remove this heater box, because that has actually rusted out at the bottom of the heater box, which I think I have one I took out of the white Rover years ago. I think that's still in my mate's garage, and if I remember rightly it was in good nick, so I'll either use that or repair this one. But it's going to have to come out anyway to repair it or replace it, so that's what I'm going to do today, and then we can see whether there's any rot behind that. Right, I'm not going to film me taking it out, but I'll be back when I've took it out. Right, so after a bit of messing around and getting the air filter box removed, as you can see, it's totally rotted out. So whether I had one in my mate's garage or not, I don't think this is really repairable. Although, I don't know. I suppose anything's repairable, but anyway, that's not the problem anyway. The problem I've got is obviously where that's all rusted out, it is now spread into the bulkhead. So unfortunately, I don't know if you can see, it means I'm going to have to strip some more stuff out to get to it. See, I didn't really want to strip the car down completely, but I don't know. I think I might have to, just so I can tackle everything properly, so we don't have to come back to it again in the future. Yeah, it's a bit of a pain, but you know, who knows. There's also a bit up here as well. We'll see. That's like a minor detail really, that's quite easy to repair because I can get to that. Yeah, it's a bit of a pain. Yeah, I don't know. It's not really bad, it's just going to be awkward because of all the stuff that's behind it. We don't want to end up setting the thing on fire. I really didn't want to remove all the dash and the engine and the gearbox. I suppose I'd get away without the engine and gearbox, there's quite a bit of room to... Yeah, there's quite a bit of room there. Remove the steering arms and stuff. I don't know, we've got to think about that anyway. Anyway, it's not the end of the world, but could have done without that being rusty there as well already, with all the other stuff I've got to do. So, it won't be getting out in the air yet a while to start doing the welding underneath, because I think we need to tackle this lot first. Right, I think I might start removing... I think I'll try and get all of this soundproofing, matting, whatever you want to call it, out next time, and then we can see where we are. Alright, like I said, short video today. Already been over here longer than I was going to be, so hopefully I'll be able to get over here tomorrow and do a bit more and film a bit more. Even if it's not that, even if we move on to something else and come back to it. But, right, thanks for watching anyway, and I'll catch you next time.